So guys, we're still pa rin sa family fair. May fireworks display karon balik.
So guys, Daddy's gonna be paying, of course. I'm still a kid.
One more try. Very good.
What do you mean, very good?
So guys, diya meron sa park diya ay basketball mini 30.
Daddy, yung ball.
Marako ang bola. So mingaw karon kay ang oras it's 7 plus in the evening. Wow. Nagbuto-buto kay ugma it's 4th of July, Independence Day dito sa US. So I work og paano lang siguro magluto-luto lang sa balay by tomorrow. Yeah, dagang fireworks sa display. So mo na nga magkuanta magtawag ini I don't know makapalit tag fireworks pero mahal man fireworks ko diri gud $2. Naka-counted si ko naka-shot si 30. So nindot diri guys kanapod siya lawn tennis sila diri. Wala lang ta kita og kanapos lay suryanan des mga bata kana siya nga park. Slide kadiya parking lot, di ba? So kani swimming pool ni siya before. Pero I don't know gitambakan nila. So bati na no na tubuan nag mga kuan sagbot. So nindot king kalangitan karon guys. Ayahay king kalangitan tan-awon. Yeah, last week I guess. Last week ba to? Basta. The other day lang. Grabe ang quandary. Bahinam ang tawag ini. Bagyo. Siging gabaha dito sa Iowa. Mainland doon sa mga area wala yung baha. So kanang mga makita nyo guys diha. Sakyanan na siya guys. Highway na diha. Madunggan niyo masaba. Highway na siya diha. Yan, nindot diri kay limpiado. Kung kayo gigalam ginila ang ilang mga kanilang mga quandary, mga kasagutan o ano mga kasi tawagan to ani Carabao grass. Carabao grass man. So muna. So kana diha guys, apartment na siya diha. Na mga apartment na siya diha. So kani residential kani mga balay-balay na kana. So para na guys ang atong video karon. So hope nag-enjoy ka mo sa pagtan-aw. So guys, humana mo og singot ni 30 30. So na meron sa family fair.
I thought it was Dollar General.
Actually dollar ni siya sa balay.
Yeah. Can I see the graphics? Dang, it's so sweet. Look at my teeth.
Wangipon. So sulod ni guys. Switch na to ang camera. Automatic siya ning on. Ning on. Ning open and on. Mumpra ni asin ra mo on.
Das asin?
Ha?
Das asin?
Mo say sulod sa Fairmart.
Daddy got a lot of stuff. Ice cream, cheese, popcorn, bread. Well, not Italian, no more. And Sprite and salt and whatever this thing is. So Daddy is
What?
I don't know how to say it. He's doing the groceries for Mommy. Salt. It was only salt and something else. And then Daddy bought all of this. Yeah, I'm not. And also he bought ice cream. I love ice cream. That's why I bought. We have a lot of ice cream. But I really wanted to buy the Hershey. We're waiting for the groceries. Yeah. Groceries right there. Right? Ice cream. Cart is normal. Nothing is here. Daddy, what did you buy today? What did you buy today? Huh? I'm not good at vlogging yet.
Huh?
I'm not a professional at vlogging.
So guys, here we are again. So nanami sa kuan guwa sa fair, family fair. So naay baligya diri nga mga pabuto. So no fireworks discharge during 300 feet. So this is preparation for 4th of July, actually tomorrow na. You want this? Sa backyard ba? Pabuto to sa backyard.
Hey, let's go, boys. Let's go.
What is this? Chicken blowing balloon. Ah, balloon.
No, these are like.
Ano ito? Bubuturo ba nito?
Really? You wanna buy it?
Ayun.
No, gamay naman eh.
Single time.
Yeah, gamay naman eh.
Okay, get.
Yes.
Take two.
Two?
After that, wash your hands, huh?
Oh, this is pretty cool. I haven't gone fireworks in a long time.
What is this?
What is this? These are Chinese, so I can't read it.
10 shots magical candle. Okay. Alright, take one.
Ooh,
Ooh.
it's gonna be the favorite.
Oh.
Oh, look at this thing.
That was too expensive.
I hope I'm gonna be mad at me.
No, it's not.
I hope she doesn't because, you know.
I'll help you to explain to your mom.
Oh.
Okay, come on. I think we're done.
Yeah, I
Right?
think we're done.
So guys, tapos na gyud mga kabangas. It's time to go home na kay it's already 8 o'clock in the evening pero hayag pa ang palibot. Si Manuel, ayun oh, excited sa iyang pabuto. Lipay ta sa siyang pabuto eh. That's for tomorrow's event. Like tomorrow. No. Tomorrow is July 4.
Yeah, so where are we gonna put it? In our backyard?
Yeah, backyard. Huh?
Is that?
So, either front yard or backyard mo. Observe lang to sa mga taas sa tusilingan, nag-asas lang magkabuto. So guys, we're going home na.
Yeah. It's a very long day today.
It's a long day today. We're gonna kuliyo ko. Grabe akong singot. So thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to follow, share atong mga videos o invite at inyong mga friends nga mo support sa tuang bayanihan soon. So ang bayanihan na to depende na ni Meta ug naatay madawat sa atong page. So depende na sab na ninyo guys. So kung mo ganahan mo support lang, follow lang, i-share ang video, i-watch ninyo ang mga video hangtod matapos. Alright? So thank you for watching. Matulog na po ko abot sa balay. Di manihapon pa may din. Pahuway ko kay ugma, busy na ugma ka it's 4th of July. Grabe ang aktibidades diri sa US. It's Independence Day nila. So tanan mag-celebrate og wala may invitation kay last year gi-invite mi ni Ate Wilma dito sa Bellevue. So karon murag busy sa Ate Wilma, wala invitation na dawat ang family Baroa family. So kami lang mag-enjoy sa balay guys. I-experience na mo ang 4th of July nga kami ra gyud sa balay. No? Alright, so di na lang ko to. Salamat kayo mga amigo, mga amiga, mga kabangas. Adios. See you in my next video. Peace out.